Hey guys, today I wanted to show you this necklace that I just received. I got it in this blue bag, which can also be really nice because you can use it if you're traveling to put the necklace in. The necklace is a silver one and it comes with these gems around it. So I'm going to quickly put it on to show you guys what it looks like. So here it is, just before I put it on to show you how sparkly it is. Okay, before putting it on, I noticed that there's two options for how tight you want it. I think I'm going to put it on the tighter one. Okay, so I just put it on. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna put in a video at the end of a closer look of how it looks. But this necklace would be a great gift for either Christmas or birthday, whatever you want. And this necklace would also be a great touch to just outfits or whatever. So now I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on at a closer look. So here is the necklace on me, and you can really see how sparkly it is. I really like this necklace, and I think you guys would too.